It's one of the worst tragedies in India's aviation history. The investigation into Ahmedabad plane crash is in full swing and efforts are being made to ascertain what actually went wrong. In the meantime, grief has struck families of the 241 people who were on board the ill-fated plane. Their lives will never be the same. They are in pain even as authorities are working to identify mortal remains through DNA testing to hand it over to their respective families. But the process will take time. DNA samples are being collected from the family members to match and identify their loved ones. Let's focus on victims and their distraught families, including the crew members who were on the Air India plane that crashed. The pilot in command of the ill-fated flight was Sumit Sabharwal, who had promised his old and ailing father that he was going to step away from his job soon and take care of him. He was the senior most out of the 12 crew members on the plane, but he's gone, leaving the family and neighbors in pain and anguish.
A pilot who was just few months away from his retirement has unfortunately lost his life in the tragic airplane crash happened in Ahmedabad. We are currently in Powai, where Captain Sumit Sabharwal used to live for years. This is the locality where the captain lived for many years, and he was the senior most crew member on board on the ill-fated Air India flight that crashed shortly after takeoff from Ahmedabad. Now, Captain Sabharwal had dedicated decades of his life to aviation, logging over 8,300 hours of flying experience. He had been living in Jalvayu Vihar with his 88-year-old father, and he is also survived by his elder sister, who currently resides in Delhi. Now, according to the neighbors, Sumit was looking forward to stepping away from his active duty to spend more hours with the family, to take care of his father, after he has also lost his mother 2-3 years back. Now the Mumbai police is coordinating with the family to get the DNA sample for testing, and the family is yet to get any update on when Sumit's mortal remains will be brought here in Mumbai.
तो हमें इस बारे में बहुत दुख है कि हमारे अच्छे पायलट जो सुमित अग्रवाल और हमारे साथ दररोज बातचीत करते थे, घूमते थे, वो अब चल बसे हैं, अब इस दुनिया में नहीं है। और हम अब उनसे बात करना हमारा तो दूर ही रहा, और अभी उनसे मिलना भी हमें अस्तित्व नहीं है। यही बस हमें बहुत दुख है इस बात का।
Well, there were 12 cabin crew members on board. One among them was Deepak Pathak, who had last spoken to his mother in the afternoon just before the flight took off. The family hasn't received any news about him and is clinging on to hope. Family says Deepak's phone rang after they tried contacting him after the news reached them, but no one answered.
अहमदाबाद से जो फ्लाइट है वो यूएस लंदन पे वो जा रहा है, उसने बताया था, मम्मी के साथ बात किया उसने। फिर मम्मी ने देखा तो बोली ये तो दीपक तो यही फ्लाइट पे गया है, तो इसके लिए वो सबको फिर बुलाया, इसको फोन किया, मुझे तो किया, मुझे बाद में फोन किया। सगा भाई है मेरा, एक लौता भाई क्या करता था, बहुत उसने मेहनत की। टैलेंटेड लड़का हम लोग ने देखा नहीं है, बस उसने बहुत मेहनत की है, उसकी मेहनत हम लोग ने कभी देखी नहीं है।
Before her flight to London, Air India crew member Maithili Patil had made a final call, promising her father that she would call him once she reached London. But the call did not come. Patil joined Air India 2 years ago and is the daughter of an ONGC labour contractor who earns just 20,000 rupees per month. Maithili gave hope to the family that their financial situation will soon improve.
Actually, न्यूज़ से ही पता चला हमको, मीडिया से, सरकार से वगैरह कुछ नहीं, मीडिया से ही मिला हमको न्यूज़। ना कंपनी ने फोन किया हमको, कुछ नहीं किया। जब भी न्यूज़ मिला, नाम आया मैथिली पाटिल, मालूम था कि वो जा रहे हैं करके। माँ के साथ उसने बात किया 1-10 को कि आई एम गोइंग टू लंदन दिस फ्लाइट, और बस उतना। दिल्ली से वो अपना बताई, परसों भी दिल्ली गई थी, परसों दिल्ली से अहमदाबाद इधर।
आखिरी बात उनकी अपनी माँ से?
हाँ, 1-10 को हो गया बात, बाद में टेकअप हुआ ना, बस।
उनकी माँ के अलावा और परिवार में कितने लोग हैं और कौन कौन है परिवार में?
पापा है, एक बड़ी छोटी बहन है, छोटा भाई है, छोटी बहन भी बीटेक कर रहे हैं फाइनल, और भाई है 10 10 पास हुआ।
जिस तरह से हमें पता चला, मैथिली ने बहुत मेहनत की थी जहां वो पहुंची वहां जाने के लिए। किस
बहुत
तरह से
मेहनत
उसका
की।
struggle रहा?
उसका पिताजी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेबर में ONGC में अराउंड 20,000 पर मंथ मिलता है उनको सैलरी। उसके बावजूद भी उन्होंने पूरा ये करके उसको पढ़ाया, छोटी को बीटेक में डाला है। तो बहुत स्ट्रगल किया, फाइनेंशियल बहुत स्ट्रगल किया। और बाद में वो अभी जस्ट टेकअप वो कर रही थी, वो भी फैमिली मेंबर हो गए।
अहमदाबाद को जिस तरह से कई लोगों के परिवार पहुंच चुके हैं, क्या मैथिली के परिवार से भी कुछ लोग अहमदाबाद गए?
हाँ, मैथिली की माँ है, मामा है, भांजा है।
इसके बाद अब आपको क्या कुछ अपडेट दिया गया है सरकार?
वहाँ से मिल रहे हैं। अभी रात को लगता है DNA टेस्ट होगा। बाद में बस 11 बजे ही चालू है। आज 1 घंटा रुको, 2 घंटा रुको। तो अभी वो लगता है 22 आवर्स पता है कि DNA टेस्ट का रिपोर्ट आएगा, बाद पता चलेगा। बस
बचपन से उसने कई सारे सपने देखे रहेंगे इस
बस
तरह
यही
से।
सपना था उसका, यही सपना था कि बस एक बार एयर होस्टेस बनूं। बस बन गई।
But it's not just those who were on the flight who died in the crash. The plane turned into a ball of fire after it crashed into the Medical College hostel building. Several of the medical students and others who were in the building or in the nearby buildings were impacted by the crash. Some of them have died too. One among them is 13-year-old Akash, who had gone to the medical college to deliver lunch to his mother when the unfortunate incident happened.
Just meters away from the BJ Medical College is a residential area that has also been impacted by the air tragedy. While the passengers have lost their lives, over 241 of them who were on board the flight, with one miraculous survivor. It's not the same tale of one 13-year-old who had gone with a lunchbox to meet his mother, who was working in the BJ Medical College. So here it is a pall of gloom with the family members here. Talking about the 13-year-old, they're still waiting for the body to arrive. आपको कब पता चला कि आकाश को ऐसा हो गया? हाँ,
पहले उसकी माँ को खाना लेने गया, खाना देके दोनों माँ बेटे ने खाया। खाना उसकी मम्मी उसको बोले बेटा तू यहाँ बैठ, मैं घर जाके आती हूँ। और घर जाके आई तो उसने देखा कि प्लेन बड़ा गिरा है, अपने घर में गिरा है। वहाँ देखा तो बड़ा प्लेन गिरा था, तो लड़का वहाँ सोया था खटिए पे। तो एकदम से वो पत्थर आया, वो बलून का पत्थर आया था, वो ऐसे पवन से आ गया तो बच्चे को यहाँ लग गया। बच्चा को लग गया तो वो नीचे गिर गया, 2 होश हो गया। फिर उसकी मम्मी आई, बोले चल उसको बहुत मत खींचा, लेकिन बच्चा उठ नहीं पाया। उसकी जैसे आग आई ना, उसकी माँ भी जल गई, वो लड़का पूरा बदन जल गया।
अरे मेरी बहू, ये हाथ जल गया, ये मेरा ये सब जल गया है। अभी सिविल में बैठे, अभी मेरा लड़का तो पूरा इधर का इधर ही जल गया, मर गया। और उधर से डेड बॉडी दोनों माँ बेटे की सिविल में ले गया, सिविल में ले जाके भर्ती किया और बहू बच गई है। और लड़का मेरा चला गया, मेरा लड़का चला गया, मेरे को छोड़ के मेरा लड़का चला गया। मैं उसकी दादी हूँ। मेरा दोहा बीमार भी इधर सो रहा था, इधर रोड के ऊपर सब सो रहे थे। रोड के ऊपर मेरे पास मेरा लड़का आता था, वो मरने का उसी दिन मेरे पास नहीं आया, उधर सुला दिया तो सोते मर गया मेरा लड़का मेरे छोड़ के चला गया। मेरी अंधी की लकड़ी छीन लिया भगवान ने और लड़का ही चला गया। अब मैं अकेली उधर बैठी रही। उसी टाइम पे मेरा दूसरा परिवार था नहीं, मगर मेरा 50 मानस का परिवार मर जाता। इधर जिधर रहते थे उधर ही विमान टूटा है।
So these are some of the eyewitness accounts. The people who stay here very close to the BJ Medical College. Unfortunately, one boy from this very residential area has lost his life. The people here are talking about how they saw first they heard a huge sound. When they went out, they saw thick plumes of smoke. They saw a huge ball of fire. And then suddenly when they rushed in, they saw several bodies strewn around. They themselves, the residents here, also helped the fire brigade in carrying out those bodies. Unfortunately, it's now only those memories that remain as the investigations continue into what went wrong. With video journalist Vimal, this is Pratibha for Times Now in Ahmedabad.
What went wrong is the question that everybody is asking, and now that the black box has been recovered, after securing that data, analyzing the data, perhaps that question will be answered. Meanwhile, families waiting to get the mortal remains, which will take time because the bodies are being identified on the basis of the DNA tests that are being conducted. 261 people have lost their lives, including those who were present in the building as well. And as we are looking at these visuals and the eyewitness account, there's breaking input coming in that the death toll has now increased to 270. So 270 people have lost their life. Remember, 241 were on board who lost their life, including the passengers and the crew members, and the rest were present in the building in which the crash landing took place. So 4 medical students confirmed dead. That death toll has increased to 270. That's what we're given to understand. We'll try and connect with our reporters as well to get you more details. I believe Arunil is joining us on the broadcast. Arunil, death toll has increased to 270 now.
That is right, Swati. Unfortunate news coming in. Basically, it says that 29 people related to the BJ Medical College, basically students as well as their relatives, have died in this horrific plane crash that happened in Ahmedabad. 241 is the number of passengers who have died in that ill-fated flight, basically when it crashed, and 29 is the number related to BJ Medical College. As well as 219 DNA tests have been done till now in the civil hospital. Why DNA tests? Because the bodies have been burned to such an extent that identification becomes an extremely difficult task. That is why family members of the people who have been affected, basically those who were on board of that flight or those who were there in the BJ Medical College, they have been called in to do DNA testing and to basically match it with the samples of the mortal remains. Basically, especially in the civil hospital in Ahmedabad, work has been done on war footing to ensure that those who have been injured, they are recovered, as well as the DNA testing takes place so that identification is complete.
Right, Arunil, thank you very much for getting us the details.